Okay, this little video is to show you what pre-stress does on concrete. Basically right here we have a pre-stressed bulk T I-girder bridge beam. When you drive underneath them on the highway, you'll see them set up. There'll be a column, another column, and you'll have a beam spanning that. So this is essentially what this is. Pre-stress in a nutshell is there is cable running through the beam that is tensioned to a certain amount. We pour the concrete cures, we detension or cut those cable when it's done, and what it does, it pulls in on the concrete. And concrete is very strong in compression, and basically that's what this is doing. It's putting this concrete beam in compression. If you've ever sat on a bridge and you're sitting there in your car and other people are driving by, you'll feel the bridge doing this. So what pre-stress does is it allows this beam to flex up and down and transfer the weight back to the bearing area or where the pillars are that you would see on the bridge. It also allows this. This is an 89,000 pound beam. It's 110 foot long. Probably have to get up close for this, but I'm going to take my leg and I'm going to push against this beam with my leg in my hand. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but this beam is physically moving at least 2 inches. This is what pre-stress does. It allows flexibility in concrete. If this beam was not pre-stressed, and you applied load to it, it would break in half. This is the second part of our video. This actually shows you the strand or the cable that is in the pre-stressed beam. There are cables in the bottom, different configurations for different types of beams. There's cable in the top. Basically, the cable in the bottom just goes straight all the way down to the end of the beam. The ones in the top actually come down, what's called a drape strand. Comes down towards the middle, goes straight for a little while, comes back up to the other end of the beam. And what that allows it to do is the drape strand helps pull up on the center of the beam to make the beam arched or humped up, which is what we call camber, and then the bottom cable pull in on the beam. So essentially you get this effect. The beam does this. That allows the pre-stress and allows the flexibility up and down. That's what gives it its camber. So that, in a nutshell, is what the cable do.